Welcome back to Midcap Radar. Thangamayil Jewellery is the next management on the show. The company saw a sharp jump as far as the revenue was concerned, almost 27.3% higher. However, the margin contracted on a year-on-year basis. Do wrote the company actually declared the highest ever Akshaya Tritiya sales in 2024. We are joined by SM Lakshmanan, the Vice President of Finance and Accounts at Thangamayil Jewellery. Good afternoon, Mr. Lakshman. Thank you so much for joining us. First up, before we delve into the Q1 numbers, we want a quick comment from you in terms of, how exactly will you be impacted by the budget announcement as far as gold jewelry is concerned, and what is the kind of inventory hit you may have to take on the back of this particular development?
Good afternoon, Vivek. Thank you for the opportunity given. The 9% duty reduction is actually a welcome move for the industry. It is expected to increase the gold demand and the gold sales further. It's going to be a great relief for the consumers. And as far as the company's profitability is concerned, yes, we have mentioned in our results very clearly, quantified the amount that due to the under-realization of inventory price and the making charges, there could be an impact of 29 crore rupees in the subsequent quarters as and when the actual sales takes place. Anyhow, it will be able to be made up by good amount of further increased sales in terms of gold. Okay, I have tried to answer the question which you posed. Let me talk about the first quarter of this financial year. It has started on a very strong note for Thangamayil Jewellery Limited. Highest ever quarterly turnover in the company's history, 1,220 crore rupees. As Vivek just said, it's a robust 27% year-on-year revenue growth.
Yes.
Akshaya Tritiya during the quarter, which fell in the first week of May, company had a whopping 45% year-on-year revenue growth. 24.5% gold sales volume growth on Akshaya Tritiya day. Okay. In terms of the first quarter sales volume, gold has increased by 9%.
Yes, Mr. Lakshmanan, yes, that is something that you've given in your presentation, and we have been flashing that as graphics as well. But you want to understand more about the outlook. One, you said that 29 crore will be the inventory write-down in quarter 2, which of course will be taken care of by the volume increase that you see because of gold prices going down. Does this calculation include the tax already paid as well? Just wanted to clarify that. And in FY25, what is the outlook going forward? The 29% growth that you saw in quarter 1, will you do better than that in the rest of the year?
Yeah, we have mentioned in our results that it is going to be in the subsequent quarters. So the impact need not be in Q2 exactly. It will be in the subsequent quarters as and when the sales takes place. And as far as the remaining quarters of the concern, the first quarter's tempo is going to be maintained by the company in terms of top line performance. The reasons are the monsoon is expected to be above normal. That is what the forecast says. The first point. Second one is the remaining quarters of this financial year, Q2, Q3, Q4 are going to be busy with festivals and wedding activities. For example, August first week is going to start with Adi Utsav. Adi Utsav is a Tamil Nadu water bodies based festival. It's going to have a grand sale. Q3 we are going to have the national celebrations, Diwali, Dhanteras, and in Q4 Magara Shankranti, Thanksgiving year-end offers, and Basant Panchami. So the company is expected or confident of maintaining the first quarter's top line performance in the remaining 3 quarters also.
Mr. Lakshmanan, would you be able to quantify that? First quarter, top line grew by close to 30%. So FY25 on the base of FY24, also taking into account, the kind of hedging one-time hit you will have to take. Could you give us a guidance for top line growth, the EBITDA margin, and what will be the bottom line growth that you expect to see on the base of FY24?
Yeah, first quarter we have done 27%. I am confident that the company will be able to maintain that 27% top line guidance, and 1,220 crore which we have made in the first quarter, we will be able to achieve with this 4x for the financial year 24-25.
Okay. All right, Mr. Lakshmanan, we would have loved to chat a lot more, but we are completely out of time and we do have to take a quick commercial break. But that's the word coming in from Thangamayil Jewellery, sounding very confident on the FY25 roadmap as well.